Bravo.
Welcome.
Welcome.
What are you puppies staring at? Oh, hey, Pigeon. Oh my God.
Man, you would not believe the things I've seen up here. Did you know there's a woman in 7J who sings in her sleep? She could
I mean, she came home, saw all these puppies in her living room. She probably freaked out.
Oh, right. She'd probably be upset. What you say?
Anyway, puppies. Snowball lives just down the hall.
But Molly can be seriously grounded. Wait, this is what Hey, honey, look at you. Now you definitely got fleas, don't you? That's cool, because I got them too. So you can tell me. Psych! I don't have fleas. That there was a mind game. My superior bunny brain just tricked you. Okay, so to find you a home, we're gonna need the greatest plan ever. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all green and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
What did I tell you?
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that.
Mom, Dad, look!
What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes! I want to go home! Yeah!
So much fun. But just a heads up, okay? Humans need lots of walking.
Look how soft your bed is.
You love me. I just get pet homes. That's all I do. You're welcome.
Ooh, what fun! Let's all do it again.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms.